Marathahalli, a neighborhood in Bangalore's east, has recently emerged as a center for real estate development. There is a greater need for qualified architects as construction activity grows. One of the well-known architects in Marathahalli, Bangalore, is Scon Design. They have an excellent body of work that demonstrates their proficiency in creating residential, business, and institutional structures. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, in addition to Scon Design, a number of other well-known architects have added to the skyline of the city with their innovative creations. Buildings that stand out and make a statement are made using a variety of materials and design components. Scon Design, among the most well-known architects in the area, has its headquarters in Marathahalli, Bangalore. These architects are worth taking into account if you're going to create a new home because of their distinctive designs and creative concepts. Scon Design ought to be at the top of your list if you're seeking for the best architects in Marathahalli, Bangalore. This architectural firm has a group of exceptionally talented individuals that are committed to coming up with creative and practical ideas that satisfy the particular requirements of their clients. Scon Design has a strong reputation in the field for producing top-notch work and providing amazing customer service. Being able to complete projects on schedule and within budget is one of the reasons Scon Design is regarded as one of the best architects in Marathahalli, Bangalore. From the early planning stage through the last stage of construction, every project is carried out according to a well-organized method that guarantees accuracy and efficiency. In conclusion, Scon Design is unquestionably a company worth taking into consideration if you're searching for the top architects in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Bangalore is known for its architecture, and Scon Design is the first name that springs to mind. Scon Design has made a name for itself as a preeminent architectural practice in the area, thanks to its years of experience and impressive portfolio of completed projects. Scon Design has developed and carried out projects with accuracy and finesse, giving them the reputation as being the best in the industry, from private residences to commercial complexes. But why is Scon Design Bangalore's top architect? Scon Design staff collaborates closely with clients to fully grasp their vision and realize it via innovation and practicality. So go no farther than Scon Design if you're seeking for an architect in Bangalore who can make your fantasy house or place of business a reality. They are without a doubt Bangalore's top architect, and their amazing customer list and glowing reviews say volumes about their knowledge and professionalism. Scon Design, however, is unquestionably one of the top 3 businesses. Having been in operation for many years, Scon Design is a reputable company with a solid track record for producing unique and imaginative designs for a variety of constructions. They have a reputation for producing structures that are not only visually attractive but also useful and sustainable. There are additional